Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for tuning in to a bit of a walkabout episode. I thought it'd be kind of neat to show you guys how my neighbors decorate. This fella right here has always had reindeers in his yard, tons and tons of reindeers for years and years and years. Normally they're the wire reindeers you get from your big box stores that have the incandescent lights strung through them. Last year he went to this method, and I will leave a link where he gets these in the description below. I believe it's Winfield Company, but you go to the website and you say I want one of these reindeers. They will mail you the blueprints. You then undo the package, put the blueprints out over a 4x8 piece of plywood, and you just jigsaw around it, and out of those puzzle pieces becomes these reindeer. That big boy over there, he's 18 feet tall. The sleigh is brand new this year and he's 15 feet tall. So all you need is wood and a blueprint and you are good to go. They have different styles, different types. You can also put some lights in there as well. So the traffic's coming. I'm blocking people from having a good time. Just want to give you this little tidbit. Talk to you later.